This is my third or fourth workshop with Glenn, and I still feel like there's so much more I want to learn. There's so much more I want to imbibe from him because it's like he's a treasure box of talent that he can just sort of, give everyone every day of the workshops. Every day is new. You wait for those mistakes to happen during the session. You wait for those happy accidents to happen because that's where the learning is. The empathy he shows as a mentor, it's invaluable. Everything that you learn at these workshops, everything that you learn from Glenn on a personal basis, invaluable stuff. Just amazing. It's changed my entire outlook towards learning anything, really. The discipline, the discipline that he expects, the discipline that he imbibes into you. These things don't just stop at an acting workshop. It takes you beyond